Yeah, well, anyway, so when I did it, I still get the old phone from it.
Here it is, the 1962 Ford Galaxie. Now, I'm just going to highlight here everything that needs work done to it. Yeah. Now, I have done some work to it already. Just mostly shit to get it running. I got fuel pump put in. Let me see here. Got the new fuel pump put in, ignition coil, distributor cap, plug wires, condenser points, spark plugs. I rebuilt the carburetor, but I'd say it needs a new carburetor anyway. Diaphragm's still leaking from the bottom, and one of the screws just spins freely, so I probably stripped it. Whoops. And I got a new air filter put on. I didn't really need it, but come on, look how cool that looks. Oh, and I got it upgraded to an electric choke that I don't have wired yet. I don't know what I'm going to wire it to. Now, what it needs brakes, brake master cylinder, probably suspension work. I haven't even got to looking at that. It might have a stuck valve. It's kind of hard to tell. So one of these days I'm going to pull the valve covers on it, see if any of the valves are stuck. Needs exhaust manifold, gaskets, door locks, ignition switch, headlight switch. I have a headlight switch, I just haven't got around to putting it in yet. Fuck, what else does it need? That's all I can think of for now. Tires. I have tires. I got these tires. Let me show you here. I got a really good deal on these tires on Facebook Marketplace. $200 for these tires, and they're identical to the ones that are already on there. As soon as I seen that, I was like, I am going over and I am getting them. Went over, bought them. That was a pretty smart purchase. Now, interior wise, not too bad. Needs a new headliner, needs a new carpet on the floor, and needs new seats. Like, these seats aren't bad, it's just they're ripped and they're not very comfortable. So for now, to save money, I'm probably just going to get a seat cover for them. There's a few spots of rust that need patched. I think visually I'm just gonna keep it rusty, but at some point in the future, not near future, I am gonna paint it. I don't know what color I want to paint it. I might keep it red, but at the same time I am kind of feeling like maybe a seafoam green or a blue. Now these rims here, I'm gonna get these rims painted. I have different hubcaps for them. That one doesn't have a hubcap. Thanks, Captain Obvious. There's those ones. I'm not gonna keep those ones on. I think this one back here is the same. Yeah. But these ones, I have 4 of these ones. I'm gonna paint the rim itself black and then have those hubcaps. I think I'd like that. But yeah, here's our ignition situation. That just spins freely, so I have to, well, where is it? That's completely disconnected and those contact points are all burnt up. So there's something not right there. So I just been doing that to get it started. Now I'm going into this completely blind, learning as I go. I got it started, which is a start, but it's still a long way to come before I'm able to get it road legal. Like, I need to get all the gauges working. None of the gauges work. Fuel doesn't work. Temperature doesn't work. The fucking clock doesn't work. I don't even know if the speedometer works. I haven't even moved it. Brakes don't work. The brake lights work, which is good, but the turn signals don't. Turn signals don't work. And whenever you turn the headlights on, the reverse lights come on. Reading around a bit, it may be the turn signal thingy in the steering wheel here. I think I'm going to leave it at that for today, because I don't really have any parts to put on, and I don't have really anything to work on today. But I'll get some parts ordered and I'll start chipping away at it when I can.